So this is how my voice sound before the enhancement, and this is how my voice sounds after the enhancement. Hello everyone, imagine removing all the background noises and making your voice crisp and professional in literally one click. Sounds impossible, right? So further ado, let's get started. First, open up your browser and open any account and search here for Adobe Podcast. Now open up the first site. So this is the official website of Adobe Podcast. Now in the right corner, you can see the sign in option. Click on it. It will redirect you into the website where you can see the sign in option here. Now click on the continue with Google. Select your account and click on the continue button. Select the month of your birth and year and create on account. And we are good to go. Now scroll down a bit, then you will see the enhance speech option. Click on it. Now in here you can drop your audio. You can also change the version of the Adobe Podcast. I'm selecting the V2. Click on the choose file option and now select your audio file. And after selecting, you can see it's uploading the file, processing our file, and the enhancing process has finished. Now if you click on the download option, it will let us download the file. And if you click on the right corner on the profile section, you can see 1 minute of 1 hour used today. That means it will give us daily 1 hour of usage for free, and the daily limit will reset about 6 hours. So no complicated editing, no expensive plugins, just upload your audio and click on enhance, and Adobe Podcast AI does the magic for you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more tech tutorials like this.